Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a giant tropical body care haul from Bath & Body Works. I have everything here in this giant bag. So since we are talking about their new tropical collection, I wanted to do more of a tropical eye look today, and I actually used this Ace Beauté Tropical Vibes palette. This is stunning, and yes, I did film a little shorts tutorial for you guys, so definitely check that out. I'll have it linked down below, or you can just check out my shorts tab on my page to see how I got this look. Actually, such a good palette. Like, the quality is amazing. This was my first time trying their stuff, but it was very fitting for this new launch today. I am just covering the body care today. There was some new candle releases, so I will go ahead and film a little shop with me in stores as well, so you guys could see everything that released, because there is, again, new candles, body care, wallflowers, some cute little wallflower plugs, lots of fun stuff in stores right now. So let's get into the shop with me. Okay guys, how beautiful is this setup? So here they are displaying their new signature fragrance for the tropical collection, which is Coco Paradise. So that means it comes in pretty much all forms. So I just wanted to share a quick glimpse of everything. There's one thing that I didn't share, and they do have a glotion in this formula. I wish it was the regular body butter, but they do have a glotion. But I will definitely give my thoughts towards my haul portion of this video, so stay tuned until the end. Next up, we have some hand soaps. I just wanted to kind of give you a glimpse at these as well. Some returning scents, some new ones. Just wanted to remind you these are free of parabens. I feel like I get a lot of comments about that, but they do not have any artificial dyes or parabens in them. We also have their returning tropical scents. So they brought back the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower, which I'm not always a big fan of this one, but somehow it always comes back. They also have Waikiki Beach coconut coming back as well, which also I don't really love. I don't know, these are my least favorite tropical scents, and they always bring these two back for some odd reason, but whatevs. These also come in regular body butters. There is some new candles that I wanted to share. The Starfruit and Mandarin, Pink Pineapple, Sunrise is back again. They have an Ebony Sands candle. Tiki Beach is back. How beautiful is that? Strawberry Daiquiri. And I love this new Blue Bungalow one. I might have to go back for it because it smells just so unique and just so beautiful. We also have the elephant candle holder, which I thought was really cool. This is like a whole jungle theme, and I love the packaging on these single wick candles. Now we do have another body care collection. This is a little bit more fruity. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Let's start with the watermelon mojito. They do have quite a few things in this line as well. We also have the pineapple sunrise returning. This one also has a body butter, the whipped body butter. I think they had it last year as well, and a scrub. And then another new one is the golden mango lagoon. This one smells amazing. Again, I'll give my in-depth thoughts later in the end of the video, but this is my favorite collection so far. Look at these beautiful palm tree candle holders. I think these will have glitter in them that swirl around. And then this elephant one, so fun. I did find some good lip glosses as well. I really like their lip products that had some fun scents in them. They also have this adorable Easter collection out with a few things. It's seriously curated perfectly. A couple candles, including the sweet carrot cake, is back. And they have this gorgeous bunny little candle holder as well. I love this one too, with the purple flowers, and then this wallflower plug is adorable. They do have a mini sweet carrot cake, and they do have minis in the Tutti Frutti candy scent. They had this one last year. The full sizes you can get online right now. It's exclusive. And then they did end up with some fun soaps. Now, Sweet Pea is actually repackaged as well, so I thought I would share this real quick too. Okay, so I want to share with you what I picked up and my thoughts on some of these new releases. Honestly, I have to say this is one of my favorite tropical collections they have done. I'm not usually big on tropical because a lot of times they go very coconutty with it, and I'm not always the biggest coconut fan, especially like sweet coconut. But I feel like they have more of a fresh take this year, and I'm really loving it so far. If only they had brought back Belize, it would have been perfect. We haven't seen that one back in a long time, but that's been my favorite tropical scent that they've done in the many years that they've done this collection. Of course, they had some returning scents as well, but I really tried to stick to the new stuff. So let's get into this huge Bath & Body Works tropical haul. Okay, so let's start out with the new Coco Paradise. This is their new signature scent. The packaging this year is stunning. So this is supposed to be a new one. This one has notes of salted coconut manoi, sugar neroli, and bronzed sandalwood. I will say I do really like this one. It to me smells like a very luxe rich sunscreen type of scent. It's not a super sweet coconut by any means. It's more perfume, but it's so beachy and so summery. I will say though, it kind of seems really similar to the Copper Coconut Sands from last year, especially spraying one on each of my hands and letting it dry down. They just seemed a little bit too similar in my book. I feel like the Coco Paradise might be a hint sweeter, but honestly, these are pretty similar. If you did like this one last year, you'll definitely like the new Coco Paradise, but if you're one that doesn't really like to have scents that are too similar in your collection and you already own Copper Coconut Sands, you may want to go ahead and skip this one. But I really loved this one last year, so I'm not too mad about it. But just smelling them side by side, they almost smell identical on the dry down to me. Let me know your thoughts. I feel like so many things have been compared to this. I've heard like Fairy Tale, I've heard the hibiscus one that they had. I don't think those are that similar. I definitely think Copper Coconut Sands is as close as you're gonna get to this one. So that is my thoughts on it, but I mean, all around it is a stunning scent. If you guys haven't tried either of those, it's a gorgeous beach resort is what it reminds me of. It's stunning. So I also grabbed the body cream in that one so then I can layer those together, but I definitely think this is gonna be a go-to for spring, especially on my cruise coming up. I have a Bahamas cruise in March. It's a Disney cruise. I can't wait, so I think I might have to bring this with me. Next we have kind of a more fruity collection, which is really exciting, with some new scents and a returning one. So I know you guys are probably wondering about this one. This is the Watermelon Mojito, and I was definitely most excited to pick this one up. I love the packaging on this collection. First of all, I think it's gorgeous. It's like old school tropical palms. I love. So the notes on this one are watermelon soda, pink rum, and cane sugar, which just sounds so delicious to me. And I know Bath & Body Works has done quite a few watermelon scents before, but this one does seem different for sure. Now, I don't really think it smells like a mojito at all, because I feel like mojitos have that minty kind of background. This does not have that at all. I know it has more rum instead, but maybe they were just trying to kind of think of a fun name for it. The spray in this one is super fresh, but the body cream and also the moisturizing body wash are really sweet. If you guys remember the pink pineapple sunrise, this one is also back, but I wanted to mention that, you know how this one kind of had more of a fresh take on pineapple and it wasn't so super sweet and edible? That's kind of what the watermelon mojito reminds me of. I know the pink watermelon scent kind of had that as well, but this one, it's different than pink watermelon too. I think pink watermelon might have been more sweeter in the spray as well, but yeah, the spray on this one, it smells different to me than like the body cream and stuff do. I haven't tried the lotion or anything, but yeah, the spray is definitely more fresh. But if you get into like the moisturizing body wash and then the body cream, which I did buy, but of course I cannot find it for the life of me. I must have set it down this morning and now I have to film this, and of course I can't find it anywhere. But the body cream and the moisturizing body wash have this really sweet, almost watermelon gum scent. Like it smells like extra watermelon gum if you guys have tried that. So it's definitely a lot sweeter in these two forms. I do wish that the spray kind of smelled the same as these because these are so good. So definitely pick up the body wash and the body cream for sure. The spray I feel like is just a little bit light. Layering the scents together, I didn't feel like it lasted more than a few hours. So it's definitely one I have to play around with and see if I can boost the longevity. Whether I'm going to pair it with something else, we'll see. It's definitely not as sweet as Pink Watermelon Blast that came out last summer. That one is like the sweetest watermelon, but this is a nice fresh take. But yeah, definitely try the body wash and body cream in this one. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's really nice. If you do want more of that mojito type of scent, there is a candle that's a watermelon and I think wild mint, and it smells just like a watermelon mojito. So I would maybe recommend checking that out if you want more of that mojito vibe, because you definitely don't get it in the body care. Back to Pink Pineapple Sunrise I was talking about earlier. I decided to get this one in the minis just because this is one last year that I really didn't gravitate towards a lot. I mean, I still love the scent and I think it's stunning. Again, this is more of like a fresh take on a pineapple scent. It has a little bit of sweetness, but it's definitely not too sweet at all. It's definitely more of that fresh feel, which is what I really like out of this tropical collection, is how fresh these scents are. This one has notes of sweet pink pineapple, palm sugar, and sun-drenched nectar. Really such a pretty one though. I actually ended up getting the mini spray, the mini body cream, and then I had to go ahead and grab this little scrub because it was just so cute. I love that it looks like sand. I know they also had this in the Waikiki Beach and in the passion fruit banana flower, but I definitely prefer this scent out of those. So this has like walnut shell in it and coconut water in the formula, but it just looks like it's gonna be incredible. So I had to go ahead and pick that up in the full size for Pink Pineapple Sunrise. And then lastly, this actually might be my favorite, which is quite surprising because I don't usually love super fruity scents, but this is the Golden Mango Lagoon. Now, again, me being super forgetful and out of it, I totally forgot to pick up the spray because I was filming a bunch of videos and stuff, and I only grabbed the body cream. So, I mean, I did spray it in store. I do know what it smells like, and I do have the cream here to tell you guys about, but this one has Sunny Mango, Saltwater Woods, and Coral Blooms. This is so good, you guys. It's so sweet. It's definitely the sweetest and juiciest one out of the three, in my opinion. And the mango just really shines in this scent. I think it is beautiful. And it's not like too sour or anything. It's just really, really creamy. So I'm loving this one. It's definitely one of my favorite citrus scents I've ever had. I did want to compare it to the Fiji Sunshine because this one is also like kind of a sweet citrus as well. But I don't know. Something about the Fiji is just a little bit more sour smelling to me. And the mango is just, oh my gosh, so sweet and creamy. So I'm really loving this one. Definitely have to remember to pick up that spray. I think this is definitely my favorite in the spray. I like the watermelon and the body cream the best, so it just kind of depends. I wanted to let you guys know that there is a couple online exclusives. So also in that same collection, they have a fresh jungle rain scent that you can get online right now. It has notes of rain kissed palms, Amazon dragon fruit, and misty breeze, so I may have to pick that one up. And then they also have the coconut pineapple is back on the website as well, and that one came out a few years ago now in like a coconut collection, and this one actually does smell like a very sweet pina colada scent, so it actually is quite nice. It has notes of shaved coconut, fresh pineapple, and sugar cane. I'm debating if I want to pick one up. We'll see. I have heard some rumors about a possible body care sale this weekend, so I'm not quite sure if that is happening or not. They are doing buy 3 get 3 free right now, which is pretty good, honestly. But yeah, I've heard rumors that they may have a body care sale that might be even cheaper, like maybe around 5 something or 6 something. I haven't seen if it's like totally for sure yet, if it's going to be online only or what the deal is, but I did want to let you guys know to maybe hold out so you can get your hands on these new scents for a good price. But again, the buy 3 get 3 is not bad at all, especially if you guys stack it with a 20% coupon, and if you use some of your free rewards, you can still get some great deals. Now, when I was in stores, they were actually running a soap sale, so I actually picked up a few soaps. This is the only Easter item I picked up. This is the Hip Hop Hooray Cottontail Cake Pop Soap. I just had to have this one. The notes are delicious cake batter, rainbow sprinkles, and fluffy buttercream. I love a good vanilla scent. It really does smell like cake batter, so I'm really excited about this one, and I was able to get it for $3.50. I pretty much bought like all the vanillas. I also got the vanilla cloud. This one smells amazing. It has whipped vanilla, apple blossom, and sandalwood. This one smells more like some of my vanilla extract perfumes. And then lastly, I got the Cozy Vanilla Almond, which is vanilla orchid, sugared almond, and sweet musk. I'm a huge almond lover, and this is just so pretty. you definitely get a sweet bakery almond toasted something kind of treat. It's really delicious. Just got a few soaps. I don't really buy a lot of soaps, as you guys notice. It's just not something I go through super fast with just my husband and I. So I mainly stick to body care, and I didn't get any candles this round. Tropical candles are not really my favorite, and I actually have a huge Kringle order coming in, so I want to kind of be able to test some of those scents out because they have some really yummy foodie type of scents, like a macaroon candle, like a devil's food cake. I'm really excited about that order, so I decided to pass on candles for now, but there was a couple really good ones that I mentioned in like the shop with me portion, but for only $10 off, there was nothing that was like a super love for me quite yet, so we're gonna keep it calm with the candles and try to use what I have. That's gonna actually wrap up this Bath & Body Works video with all the new tropical stuff. I'm really excited about this collection, and I think maybe some of you guys will be as well. I know the first round of spring that they did wasn't as exciting, but there's definitely some really good scents in here. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Let me know what you guys thought of these new scents, what your favorites were down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.